Hello followers, welcome to my channel. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. So frequently I am sharing the videos for Oracle, SQL, PLSQL and performance tuning. Please subscribe my channel and you will be getting the notification once I upload the video. Okay, let's start with today's topic. Today we are going to discuss the topic is set operators. It's a very simple concept in our education. Already we know the union, union all, intersect minus. These are the set operators. So the set operator implementation, Oracle, we use it directly. Similar concept in Oracle. Okay. So let's see one by one. So union. So if we have two different result set, so that it will combine into single result set and it will show as a output. So we call it as component where clause. We call it as this one as component where clause. So what is the difference between union and union or? Union or it will have the duplicates. Union will remove the duplicates. There is only one major difference. Okay. So example, if you have run the separate query for this course A and course B, it will give the individual result. Using union, you can merge both result set into single. Okay, single result. And what happen if you use union? It will remove the duplicates. Okay, if you use union null, it will be not removing duplicates. If you are very sure your results are not having the duplicates, then you can go directly for union null. It will improve the performance because the duplicate elimination checks it will avoid. Okay. So here in this example, table A and B. So we have Charan and David in both tables. So it's removed the duplicates. So it's gave only one times the David and Charan. So if you use union null, it will give two times. Okay, that is the main difference. Union null. Okay, so union combine the result. It's combine the result. Don't it will not remove the duplicates. Okay, union will remove the duplicates. So intersect. If we have two result set in that, what are the values are matching. Both the result set which is common, that result will be shown in intersect. Okay. So intersect common record from both the queries. Okay, it can be two or n number of queries. In that query, whatever the common, those result will be displayed. Minus, it will be get the first query data and those records not available in the query 2. So based example, if we have course A and B, whatever data available in course A and not available in course B, those record will be displayed. Okay, that is the minus operator. Okay. Okay, if we change B minus A, so it will get the B record. Okay, B table record. So set of rules we have. So the column should be same number of columns. If you have two query result, the query in the upper query, whatever the column number of column we have, same similar number of column we should be having the query B. Okay, and the data types also should match. Okay, if it's not matching, then it will give the error. Okay. Okay, so here also if you see, both column data type also should match. Okay, if it's not matching also, it will give the errors. Okay, it's the main rules. Okay, order by class, only one order by class should be allowed in the entire query. So based on the this column normally set operators we can directly use the number. So if you want to sort order by for column 1, you can give direct, instead of mentioning column name, you can give 1, or column 2 means 2. So that's the way we can use the order by clause with the number also. Okay, so this is some sample with EMP table. So similar line it work. Okay, let's go with the okay. So this is a quick summary. So union is combine the result and remove duplicates. Union all is combine the result, keeps duplicates. Intersect is returns common record, minus returns the first query. There are all available in the second query. Okay. Let's run to the example. So today I will be show it in the example in SQL Star Plus. Okay. Um, let's create the tables. Table A created, table B table B created. So I'm setting the record as well. Table record, insert and everything we did. Okay, so I inserted record and capital. Let's go to the so so these are the record from table A and these are the record from table B. Okay, so here if you see David and Sharon is the name is same from the both table. Okay, example. Now okay, now let's go with union. So it will combine both result and give it. So if you press ED, then it will give the open up of text window. From here you can run it. Okay. Plus Alt F4 if you use, it will come to here. If you see, it's union. So see, it's remove the uh, duplicates. Okay, Sharon and David, we have duplicates. Now it's removed because we use union. If we use union on, we will be having duplicates record as well. See now here 8 rows, here 10 rows. Those two duplicates also added now. Okay, the 103, 104 again we added from the both places. Okay, this is union. Um, okay, so now intersect. Okay, let's go with intersect. So intersect, it will give the um, co common in the both those records to give. Okay, let's see. See, these are the two records from the both results. It's common. Okay, those records we will get for intersect. So minus. So if you see minus, it will give the give A minus B. So when whatever the records available in A, it's not available in the B. Those record will be coming from the table B. Okay. So now, okay, this is only available in table A. So that's why it's coming those records. Okay. Minus also done. Okay. Rules. Okay. Just we can run through this rules query as well. See, if you see here, see, now what we are giving, just intentionally I'm removing one column from the query B. See, now what's happening? See, now see, query block incorrect number of result column means if you are getting this error, the column number of column is not matching. So that's why it's throwing error. So how we can solve this? So still we need table A two columns, table B one columns. Then what we can do? We can add null. Then it give the aliases this one. Then what happen? It will fetch the name from the table A, but it will not throw the error. So using null, we can manage the See, some reporting, we need columns from table A. It's not available in table B. Then we can use null to equalize the column names. Okay. If data type also is not matching, then you can use null for that column. Okay. Examples sometimes what. Okay. So let's see EMP example and throw. Okay. See the similar way. So order by class, yes, order by class also we will use it by class. See, now, see, now we gave order student it's uh, order by. So instead of that, we can give order by one. Then it will you order. So normally, if you see the for using first column, it will be ordered. Okay. So you can give the column number directly. So only one order by class. It's end of the step. We can't give it in between. Okay. That is the rule. Okay. Now, mm, just I am showing the example from department. It's same. Okay. So in real time, when we want to see whatever the records missing from the source and not available in the target, you can use minus query to find out. Okay. So that is the target table missing. So you can use minus A minus B. You can use it and find it. Okay. So you whenever if you know we don't have any duplicates, directly use union all. It will improve the performance. Okay. So these are the things I want to discuss. Okay. Let's give some examples from the EMP as well. Now example I want to e name comma um, ename, comma, job, comma, sal. See, these are the column I want to see it from EMP, union, select, null in. So I don't null, I don't see. Job also I don't want to see. Just I want to see sum of salary in the end. See, from EMP. See, sometimes the reporting people they expect data in this way. So I want to see all single garner data in the last. I want to see the total sum. See these kind of report data, if the front end people they want, mostly we can use the set operator to get the this result. Okay. So um so always try to achieve using joins or subquery. If it's not possible, then go with set operator. Set operators always costly, but the your requirement demands, so then you can go with this. So most of the reporting projects they heavily use the set operators. Okay. So this is what I want to share it for today. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. Please subscribe, share it with your friends, share your comments and feedback. So thank you.